Welcome, KidsArts summer campers with Mr. Len and my better half, Miss Catherine. Today, for your enjoyment, we're going to make shakers using items that you can find around the house to create a cool shaker and make some noise. I mean, music.
Absolutely. And if you make your shaker at home, you'll be able to play with us because we're going to do a little jam session after we finish them.
One of the first items you can go in your kitchen and find is...
Wait, Mr. Len.
What?
If we're going to do shakers, we
need to create shaker music
We
intro.
do. Yes. We have to have challenge music, and this is the best challenge music that we know. I've got a kazoo. What are you going to play, Mr. Len?
I have hogs.
Hogs?
Hogs.
Okay, let's try it because, you know, just about anything can be a percussion instrument. So, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay.
I think we're ready now.
Absolutely, I'm ready to go. So what do you need to make a shaker at home, Mr. Len?
You need to consume a bunch of soda or water.
Yeah.
Because it takes a lot of plastic bottles so you can have a large assortment of shakers. One of the first things you can do is take that empty bottle, go in the kitchen, find popcorn, or there's other items that most people have in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You can make shakers.
What about beans or...
Beans, popcorn, beads.
Oh, beads.
And you can find beads at places like Hobby Lobby. And places like that.
Craft stores and
Craft
things like
stores.
that. So what do those sound like when you make them with different things inside?
Well, depending on what you put on the inside determines the sound. This first shaker here, those are beads. This is popcorn. Again, you can find this in your kitchen. And then you have beans in here, small beans. Probably each shaker would contain maybe 3 tablespoons. This is a vitamin bottle. And then you have to put the top on real tight so that you don't lose your content.
Yeah, because that could happen, see?
Yes. And so this one with the beads has a real cool, kind of a warm sound to it. Kind of loud and bright. Whereas the popcorn is kind of subtle and not so bright, kind of warm sound. And then if you cover it with your hand, you can even change the sound like that. As opposed to...
Very cool. There's a little technique there. Oh, wait, how about those?
Now, these are little shaker bales. These are metal bales, tiny ones. So this is kind of cool, too.
Yeah,
Now,
that makes a nice sound.
We've got mung beans on the inside. This is an old Gatorade bottle. So we've got some mung beans in here. You can find this probably at some store that sells spices. You know, so you're changing the content, you change the sound. This one's real cool. Now, before I move on, let me show you, this is a professional shaker. And a little shout out to Murphy's Music at 183 in MacArthur. You can find this there. This is a Rhythm Tech shaker, which is real cool. Now, this is a professional musician shaker here. Whereas you could take, let me see this one here, your homemade shaker, put them together. Now, Miss Catherine.
Yes.
Play me a little clave. Let me see what I can do with that.
Okay, let's see. Now,
Let's do the clave with the pig.
I have wanted to play this pig.
Be careful with it. It's kind of sensitive.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll make sure I hold it just exactly right.
Ready?
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a little carried away.
Got a little carried away there.
So if you've already made your shaker, you could play along with us. But hey, Mr. Len, you think they might be ready for the jam session to play along with us?
So.
All right, so we'll see you guys back in just a second.
Thank you for listening today. Now that you've made your shaker, we're going to have a little fun here. There's a simple rhythm called son clave, which is a 5-beat rhythm, and I'll show you that real simple. I'll slow it down. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these are some other shakers that we created, and in our next program, I'll show you how to create these. And we had a wonderful friend who actually gave us the idea, Miss Madeline, and she's a genius child, and she helped us with this project. So we'll demonstrate this in a later video.
Can we say hello to Madeline right now?
Yeah, let's say hello, Miss Madeline.
Hello, Miss Madeline. Can you wave to us and say hi?
Hi.
She's watching us. Hey.
So, can you show us your shakers? Because I think you've got a couple of shakers there too.
I have my own shaker that I made in my professional shaker.
Yes.
That is because she
Yes.
works
Yes.
with us a lot and she needs a professional shaker. Thank you so much, Madeline. Shake them for us real fast. Perfect. All right. So, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, is everybody ready for the jam session?
You ready?
All right. So, I'm going to play clave, son clave,
Son clave.
5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and everybody else needs to play with me because Mr. Lynn is going to play something completely different and he's going to try to confuse us, but we got this on lock. We're playing son clave, right? Yes.
As the metronome, no less.
We are the metronome of this piece. All right.
Ready, Miss Cathy?
I'm ready.
I'm following you.
You like that pace?
Shaker. Now that was fun.
That was fun. And remember, next time on our next video, we'll show you how to make the homemade maracas that
Homemade maracas,
our
yes.
friend Miss Madeline,
Miss
Princess
Madeline,
Madeline, and our
yes,
friend
here they
Cynthia
are.
made for us. And now we've got a lot of great shakers. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.